Woohoo! Fun part. Wow. Look at this. Ah, it's so cute! Oh no, 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 no.
Ah, with cornstarch.
I'm from Korea, he's from South Africa. Language, food, everything was different. So when I look back last 1 year, it was a time that... Hi everyone, this is my first anniversary with my boyfriend from South Africa. So today I'm going to make a South African dessert. Milk tart. Melktert. So this is the ingredient. Flour, butter, sugar, eggs, salt, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, and milk. So we're going to make the crust first, then filling and combine later. And actually this is also my first time to make the South African milk tart. However, my boyfriend today, he mentioned about it several times, showing me clips and some recipes. So I know he liked this dessert. So I'm trying this time for our 1 year anniversary. I hope he likes it. I'm going to add the flour 200 grams first. 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt. 100 grams of butter. Then we're going to do purse. One egg. Okay. About 30 minutes in the fridge. In the freezer. Butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean extract. I'm going to stir until it's about boiled. 3 tablespoons of flour, and salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I think it's too much. 2 egg yolk. A little bit of warm milk. So I am going to add this one here. Mix her until the texture is thick. We grew up in a different country and different culture. I'm from Korea, he's from South Africa. So the education, society, language, food, everything was different. So when I look back last 1 year, it was a time that I know and I embraced his differences. That is actually very good. That actually helped me a lot because he can see something that I cannot see. So whenever I had some troubles at work or relationship with my friends and family, he's saying and he does advise helped me a lot. I think it became thick a little bit. It's getting thick, which is good. Wow. Woohoo! Fun part. Carefully. Okay. Ooh, 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 ah, ah. Ooh, wow. Mm. I can do it. Second one goes in. Make this almost same level. Rice. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. I'm going to cook them for 15 minutes and come back. While I am going to make about the meringue. Oh, my meringue is difficult. Anyway, I am going to add. Going to mix this. Okay, it's done. Wow. Okay, I am going to cook without foil 15 minutes. Okay, it's good. Okay. Perfect. Wow. Look at this. So good. Okay, I think this is okay. Oh. Ah, fuck it! Yeah. Ah. Okay, let's do it. Yes. Yes, I did. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Isn't it? Guys, 1 year anniversary And I love you.
Nice. Ooh, you made a milk tart.
Yeah. Melktert.
Milk tart.
In Afrikaans.
Melktert.
Melktert.
No. Melktert.
Melktert.
Ja, milk tart. Melk is melktert. Dus...
If you want to hear, honey. But you know, I had a very big mistake. I have to take off this one first.
No, well, the mistake is that shouldn't be runny.
It's okay.
Yeah. See, that's... I think your mixture is wrong. Because it's supposed to be like hard.
Thick.
Yeah, like I say cornstarch.
He said something wrong about my milk tart.
Yo, that's see the cornstarch is the same when I made the custard. But it's okay, we'll taste it.
Yeah, let's taste it.
See, no, it's good. See, last time you put in the whole jar of apricot jam. Yeah, that one's probably.
Oh.
Yeah, see, no.
Right? Taste is okay.
No, it's just the actual milk part's not right, but. What? You know, tasty, but.
Yeah, let me taste it.
We'll do it again tomorrow with cornstarch.